Hey everyone, welcome back at Tanya's Place. Today is today. This has been a journey, almost 2 years to get it where it is today. I have been thrifting, collecting, saving things and finding stuff here and there, and I'm just so tickled the way everything has come together. I never know how things turn out because when I see things I just go for it, and it's just got a feeling that this is going to work. So I'm really excited. Everything just came together and I got some awesome deals on finding these items that I got inside of my greenhouse, and the hard work that Tony, Mr. John, and I have put into building this greenhouse. It was a lot. I am still missing my shade cloth, but this will hopefully come here very soon, and the chandelier be a video by itself. But I can't believe it. It's finally done inside, and I have started planting a little bit. If you want to see some of the video I've done before with the asparagus beans and the loofah, I have started planting them in the greenhouse, and I took them to the house and I already planted those, so check out this video. But yes, let me show you all the inside of my greenhouse. Before I show you the inside, kind of with like a little video, kind of what we've been through to build this greenhouse.
How about that? They're not perfect. They're not perfect, but they're gonna be cool.
Almost done. Let's go, come on. Welcome to my greenhouse. Let me show you around. And check this out. Here is my angel wings that I've gotten off that one tree. And I'm going to be doing some work on it, but not right now. But this will be a project for the colder weather days coming along. But they're my angel wings. little dresser in here to put store stuff, and then put the doors behind that I had in the garage, and those curtains right there. Just kind of block the light until I maybe build that shiplap wall. But here's my solar system that I got my energy coming from. So this has been really nice, and the fan is off right now, so it gets pretty warm in here. But so far, I got these 2 palm trees and my succulents, and they seem to love this kind of hot weather. But everything else, I have to kind of keep an eye on right now because it just gets too hot in here. But I have some really special pieces in here that friends has given to me and family members that I'm really happy about. So I love it. I just love it. So here are the items I'm gonna use for my chandelier, and there's my 2 trellis, and they're gonna be working on those here very soon too. But here's the overlook one more time. I just love it. I love it. And I also added some items right here in some containers to make sure that they're not going to die on me. So, and I found some roses on at the box store on clearance. I snagged those up and put those in the containers, and I love the way they smelled. So, and got some more extra plants, and now the job is going to be working on the outside. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and thank y'all so much for being a part of this journey on my adventure about building my greenhouse and getting things together. I got big plans to come in the future for this greenhouse, and yes, this is not just a girly she shack kind of building for me, but also I'm going to be doing a lot of other things in here. And when times comes with planting stuff, I'm going to be planting stuff, making projects, and all kinds of things. The outside is going to be coming here very soon too, but my goal was right now is to get this greenhouse done. And I wish I could show you how excited I am and how I feel inside to get this done. We have worked on this for 2 years, and having the ending product is just amazing. So hope y'all stay tuned to the channel. If you are new to the channel, welcome to my channel, and I hope you enjoy these videos. And I do gardening, chickens, greenhouse stuff, landscaping stuff, whatever it is that you do on a homestead. I'll be doing this. So thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part again for our journey here at the homestead. And I hope to see y'all next video. Leave a comment and let me know what y'all think about the greenhouse. God bless y'all. Bye.